morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to another episode of Alex Messes Around, to be quite honest with you. No. So yeah, I've been very busy with family things, work, things like that. So, also it's been a bit difficult getting into here and knowing what's ahead of me. Knowing that I've got to strip everything, all my hard work back to see what needs fixing, what doesn't need fixing, etc, etc. So, as for welding, still not managed to get any practice in because I had to wait until I got paid so I could buy mask, gloves, wire, gas, things like that. So that should be here over the next few days hopefully, and then we can get practicing. So I'll have more on that in the next update. So what we're going to do today? What we're going to do today is we're going to relieve, can you see it? Yeah. We're going to relieve the engine out of its subframe. The words are escaping me today. We're also, I'm on my own, but I'm going to try and lift this shell up because I'm really worried that it has cover seals on it. I'm really concerned it has cover seals on it. I'm not sure, I'm not certain, because when it was welded I had no idea what I was looking at, anything like that. So to me it was a great job, but as we found out with things like this, might not have been such a good job after all. So without further ado, let's set you up on the tripod and let's get cracking. So we need to relieve this. The garage door stops trying to kill me. We're going to relieve this from the subframe because we need to check the subframe to see if it's salvageable. I think it is, but I thought a lot of things about it spinning so far, so let's start the time lapse. See what noise it makes. Sounds perfect. Next is going to be manifolds, I think. Exhaust, inlet, the carb will come off with the inlet as well. Let's go! I'm sorry guys, my camera keeps cutting out, I don't know why, so I don't know how much until I get to editing, how much it's caught of this. So we'll do a review afterwards anyway, but I'll record as much as I can, but fucking hate cameras. Right. Again, I think we're having technical difficulties with the camera, so we only missed a lot of swearing and a lot of hammering anyway. Let's try and get this exhaust manifold off because it's still connected to the white piece. So hopefully I've done that enough now. So I'm going to try and pull that off and we should be able to release the manifold. Stay there. And then I think it's going to be drive shafts with hubs and everything. I'm going to pull them off all together. Probably going to leave the inner shaft inside the box for now. Oh, right. Stop talking, let's do. Right. One wide piece. Should. This is the hardest configuration in the world to work out. One wide piece. One singular. Not going to play him like a trumpet, we've already seen that loads of times before. Watch Mighty Car mods. Shouldn't have really done the radiator, but it thought it was a funny idea at the time. Right. So, I should check still recording. So, after hitting that with a hammer and a screwdriver, we've got that off. That's quite clever how it works. So, let's get these drive shafts off. Not too bothered about the CV boots because we'll get replaced anyway. So, if need be, we'll just cut them if they don't pull. Pretty sure this one's going to pull straight out though. Let's have a look. Right, so I've had a quick tidy up, literally a quick tidy up. We're going to try and jack it so we can get some axle stands underneath it and take it from there. So, let's see what happens. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we've found, if I'm right in thinking, they are cover sills. Am I right? I'm not sure. Well, I'm sure some people will be able to tell me, but looking how far they go under, I'm pretty sure it's a cover sill. You know what that means, don't you? Look at this as well. Focus. Oh, I've had this repaired. Believe that. Oh, all across here. Yeah, Graham, I might beat you at fucked mini. Okay, in there. Right, I'll go to the side. Right, ladies and gentlemen, should that be fucked up? Don't know. I think, because I think Dave said they cut off there if they're not cover sills. Alright? So, mine go woo, all the way over there. That's what I paid for. Focus. Focus. Jesus. Let's keep going. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We've got cover sills. I'm 99.9% sure they're cover sills. Anyway, so I know people are saying, oh, down there is an easy repair. Technically it is, but that's not just what I had done, or had done. I had floors, sills, boot floor, rear arches. This is a big job, a real big job. Better learn that. Oh God, I'm gutted, guys, I'm gutted. I had an inkling though, he'd put cover sills on it. I just kept watching more and more people's videos on YouTube, and I kept seeing it, and I thought, do you know what, no, mine's gonna have cover sills on it, I know it is. So yeah. Oh dear, dear me. Right, okay, so let's reevaluate. So engine is more or less out. I've still to take the gear linkage off and lift it out. Then it's going to be a case of sand all that back, well, check it, sand it all back and paint the subframe. I need to take everything off the bulkhead, so master cylinder, etc. Take all that out. I need to strip windscreen out. Yay! Cheers, mate. Take the windscreen out, dash, seats, carpet, rear subframe. I also need to build a spit, learn how to weld. So yeah, that's where we're at. In good news though, we've announced we're having a baby boy. So very lucky there, you know, to get one of each, and healthy so far so good, fingers crossed. Holly wanted a little sister, but I've got a little brother. So yeah, future racing champion, you heard it here first. So future racing champion, I mean Holly, not the boy. So yeah, that's where we're up to, guys. I'm going to end this one there, I think, because there's not much more. Well, there's more I can do, but there's not much more I want to do, to be quite honest, right now. I just want to write a list, check it twice, and then work out what we need to do. I mean, the next video will hopefully, depending on eBay and Mr. Postman, will hopefully be welding gear, but we'll see. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you all enjoyed that. I'm not going to say I hope you all learned something, because you don't learn something from my videos, you learn that from DB Mini and Dave, to be quite honest with you. They're the men that you need to be watching to learn things from. Quick shout out to Graham, Team Stockdale, I think he's going under, on YouTube. I'll link him in below. Absolutely top guy, and what a gorgeous mini clubman he's got there. That's nearly done, and he's gone and bought I'm sorry, Graham, it's an absolute basket case. Oh God, I'd just be interested to pour water in it and see where it poured out from. It's that is a big job, mate. Well done for saving that, to be fair, mate. But I think you more or less got a reg with that one in a logbook, and that's all you're going to really secure from that. I think the roof's solid though on his, which is nice. But yeah, that's a big job, that boy, big job. So good luck with that. So yeah, if you want to check him out, and say that I sent you, might feel good. Yeah, so check him out. He's just started, not many subscribers, and it'd be nice to get him on the YouTube train. All aboard. So thanks, guys, hope you have a good day. Cheers.